In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your ribbon in Outlook. By the end, your most used commands will be right where you want them, so everyday email tasks feel faster and more intuitive. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results. This takes you to Outlook on the web. If prompted, sign into your account so you land in your inbox. Once Outlook loads, make sure you're on the main mail view by clicking Home at the top. This is where the ribbon, or command bar, lives. It's that row of buttons across the top with actions like New, Reply, and more. Look to the far right edge of that bar and click the three dots. This opens a menu with extra options that aren't shown by default. From this menu, choose Customize. Outlook will open a customization panel and show a live preview of your ribbon. Think of this preview as a sandbox. It mirrors the layout you see across the top, but lets you move things around before committing. Here's the key idea. You can arrange the ribbon so the tools you use most are front and center. In the preview, simply click and drag a button to the spot you want. If you send lots of new messages, drag New all the way to the left. If you live in your inbox triaging messages, put Reply, Archive, or other frequent actions together so they're side by side. You'll see space indicators appear as you drag, helping you drop a button exactly where it should go. You're not limited to just one move. Continue dragging other buttons to build a logical flow that matches how you work. Group-related actions, leave a bit of space where it helps your eye, and keep seldom used commands farther to the right. If a placement doesn't feel right, just drag it again. Nothing is permanent until you save. As you fine-tune, glance between the preview and the top bar to understand how your changes will look in real use. Small tweaks, like moving a high-frequency button just a few positions left, can make a big difference over a full day of email. When everything looks good, click Save. Outlook applies your arrangement immediately, and you'll see the ribbon update in place. Try a couple of actions to confirm the new layout feels natural. If you want to adjust it later, return to the three dots and open Customize again to refine your setup. That's it. Your ribbon is now organized to support the way you work.